This is the Lenovo 420s, and unfortunately I dropped it. So in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the LCD screen now that it doesn't work properly. First, I'll flip over the laptop, take out the battery, take out the DVD drive, and then begin unscrewing the laptop so I can access the screen. Once the batteries and the screws are safely removed, locate this screw point on either side of the laptop, and that'll allow you to remove the LCD screen in order to install the new LCD panel. After you've loosened the LCD component, look for the little panel here, and you, with a sharp knife, remove this little panel, which will reveal a screw which you need to take off in order to remove the rest of the bezel component. With the screws removed here, all you need to do now is pull this cover off, and you can see that there's these little snaps. So be careful when you actually put your finger in between this groove here in order to pop off the bezel. Once you do that, you have access to the laptop screen. You can go ahead and unscrew. You can unscrew the laptop and replace the screen. Once the screws have been loosened from the actual assembly, you can go ahead and pull off the screen and make sure that at the bottom you unplug the screen from the connector. After removing the broken screen, I can reattach the new one with the little connector there and start screwing in the screen back to the assembly. Once you've finished screwing the screen back onto the bezel, since the 420s doesn't have any screws to hold in the front part, you'll need to carefully push down gently and make sure that there's a tight seal between the two front and rear bezel by snapping the little plastic connectors back to the screen. Once you're done snapping the front bezel in place, make sure you put together the two screws that are on the ends here and here. And finally, make sure you screw in the monitor so it's attached to the laptop here and on the other end here.